Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a collaboration that I did with the Cinema Makeup School, which is a TV and film makeup school based in Hollywood in Los Angeles. So I hope you like this look. It's based on their logo. So I did regular beauty makeup on one half of my face just off camera, and then I painted a wiggly white line down the centre of my face and then a wiggly black line next to it but on the side where I didn't have any makeup. Then using the black face paint, I just painted in the classic skull features. I then went into a red face paint and using a kabuki brush I just painted that in around the skull features. I then went into a white face paint and I painted on the skull's exposed teeth, and I did that by painting these little teeth shapes in white, and then I went around them in black just to make them stand out a bit more. I then went into an eyeshadow on a flat brush, and I went into a shade that's a few shades darker than my own skin tone, and I just drew on these wrinkly lines. You know, I've done this in loads of my videos just to make it look like the skin's like wrinkling backwards. On the other side of this I shaded in black, and that's what makes it look three-dimensional. And then I went in with the black eyeshadow and just shaded around the skull features just to make it look a bit more 3D. I then continued this down onto my neck, so I drew the black line, and then I wanted to add like part of the spine in red, a bit cartoony, so I just painted that on. And then I added the usual shading on the other side to make it look 3D, and I painted in the area in black around it. Then went into this red fine glitter and I added some onto my lips, and then I just kind of pressed it on to the red skull face.